Appreciate it, man. What you running in here?
I got 4 9500 DD audios, pushing with 2 4 MKs.
Yeah.
It's got we built a 6th order made by Savage Audio, Justin Dorman built it for me.
Yeah.
So it was a test thing to see if we can get a 6th order in a street box class.
Yeah, and it worked out.
That's what it did.
It keep your sub safe too.
Yeah, well, we first put that one in there. This is the first time I've ever smelt them subs.
Yeah.
So,
but you played a full song though.
Oh, it'll eat them up. It's just them burps that what gets them.
Yeah, that high note.
So just holding that note for a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, it cooks them. But they can't breathe good enough for it.
Yeah.
But playing music, man, they'll wear that all
You be good on music all day
long. You'll hear me at the light. I'll sit there and watch. I've been watching them pull up here and you catch a few of them. The license plate checks on them.
Oh yeah, you good.
If the license bolts take.
Just cutting up.
It's been a lot of fun. So
yeah, that's what it's about right there.
Oh yeah. If you ain't having fun, then
you're doing the wrong thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Take a step on down the road, find something that makes you happy.
Yeah, something a little cheaper to do.
Yeah,
this
exactly.
ain't cheap. This ain't cheap.
Yeah, I'm waiting on my youngin to either start driving or graduate.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna start from the B pillar and work my way back.
Yeah.
She's gonna be a bad boy. I'm gonna let old Doing over there do his work.
Yeah.
Get his magic fingers on it.
And then you stand back and watch that.
Yeah. Hopefully I ain't blowing as many windows out as he is.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's part of the game too.
That is, it come with it, don't it?
Yeah.
So we already know we're gonna blow some subs and some amps and some windshields and things. So
yeah. Right now she's steady at 152 on burps. Ground and pound, she likes about 148, 147. Yeah. Depending on where it's at, how it's set up.
The ground and pound is where they play the whole song, right?
Ground and pound, where they get it, you have they'll put the speakers or the meters is just outside the door.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And you sit there and play music on it.
Okay, yeah, I know what you're talking about now.
You get like a 142.
Yeah, ain't too bad.
Depending on the song and how everything works out, it varies on that stuff. But on the burps, I'll put money before I hit it. I'll put money on it and I'll set everything up, hit play, and walk away from it. 152.
You guarantee you 152?
Guaranteed right now, she's set up. Yeah. I ain't gotta look at me. I know 152.
So you know you get that 152 and nothing else.
I'm just looking for that 155 now.
So then you get the 155, you gotta go a little bit further.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to change some amps. I'm talking to some of the guys. We're gonna try to get some amps swapped out.
We're gonna go with some bigger amps or more amps?
Get some more amps, because right now I really need each one of them amps on each sub.
That way you can get the rise, fight the rise.
Yeah.
Yeah, that rise will get you.
Man,
it will.
That hurts your feelings just as bad as the meter.
You look up there on it when they clamping you. You look. That's all I'm getting.
That hurts right there. That
hurt more than the score line.
Oh man, yeah. You see that clamp is like No, don't.
Ain't no
don't
way.
do me like that. You know. So, it's something wrong with your clamp. You gotta get
the clamp ain't no way.
Recalibrate that.
Ain't no way.
Something ain't right. The math ain't mathing for me.
Man, I'm telling you. Man, it's so good seeing you, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Are you on social media anywhere they can find you?
I'm on. If you look up my hoe 2010.
Okay.
That's where I'll be at on TikTok. A little bit of Instagram, Snapchat.
All that.
All that good stuff. Clapper, they got a new thing going on. Clapper.
I ain't never heard of it, but I try to check it out. It's something new.
I just tried it out to see, and it's actually been climbing. I get more followers on steady basis through there.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's just because it's something new.
That's probably why we need to get on in then.
Yeah, you might.
We need to get in.
Yeah. So yeah, my whole 2010 is.
And where you
be find me on that.
And you, I know it's a Team Ain't Loud group on there. It's like a public group, and I know it's a private one probably, but I'm gonna try to tag Team Ain't Loud too when you
get a hashtag Teammate Loud.
Yeah.
And that's best. We got I also got battery hookup, or not battery, yeah, batteryhookup.com. I got a QR code on my back window.
On your back. Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of it.
It'll take you right to a link to save 5% off your battery order.
Okay.
Got all kind of battery stuff. They got anything like the C-Maxes, the cells. I bought that little Super Beast over there for I think it was like $175.
Oh yeah, that was hard then.
Yeah, just all you gotta do is just,
oh yeah, right there, that battery.
Yeah,
I didn't realize it was a battery. You had to come there.
Yeah, you swap that over, you flip it around the back side of the battery, you take the second side of the pack, flip it. Yeah. And it converts it from a 24 down to a 12 volt.
Oh yeah.
And that thing right there is it's supposed to be 12 volt. It rests at like 13.4.
That's a little bit over
to 14.6. Somewhere right near where it just sits and rests at. Go down and you start getting a charge to it. It ain't nothing to see 15.2.
It'll be all right though.
And it's a lot of times it'll stay right above 15. Cause until you like get, I only like once I hammer down past 5 or 6, get on up around 7 or 8, it starts wanting to suck it dry a little bit.
Once you get up a little further up.
Yeah. So
I know you played a full song and you back at 15.2 already.
Oh yeah,
you back up there already, so.
She ready to go again. I mean. Next person in line can jump right on in there.
Yeah, keep on going.
Keep it trucking.
Man, it was good seeing you, bro. We're gonna do it again, man. I left a car right there so you see your video.
Absolutely.
I mean, we'll keep in touch, brother.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.